Right guys, I think it's about time we did a slow cooker recipe, isn't it? So I'm going to show you how to make a super basic chicken tikka masala in the slow cooker. Proper easy to do, just dash everything in, leave it for a few hours, come back to it and you've got a lovely curry waiting for you at the end of it. So we're going to start off by cutting up our fresh ingredients. I've got 1 onion. I'm going to cut it up quite fine. And we're not pre-cooking anything here, just get everything directly into the slow cooker. Going to be using 4 cloves of garlic. I'm just going to run the knife through this nice and fine. But you can put as little or as much garlic in as you want. In with the garlic. We've got a little bit of ginger here as well. Take the skin off. Again, just run the knife through this. Make sure it's nice and fine. In with the ginger. Now what we've got is 50 grams of ground almonds. Just going to tip those in as well. Got a kilo chicken thighs. You could use breasts, you could even use meat on the bone if you wanted to. Tip that in. Got 300 mils of passata. You could use tinned tomatoes if you wanted to. 3 tablespoons of curry powder. If you've got individual seasonings, obviously feel free to use those. Chili powder, your ground coriander, salt to your own taste, and some black pepper as well. All I'm going to do now is just give this a good mix, and I always find with slow cooker recipes, you've just got to trust the process, because at the moment, it just doesn't look like much, but it will eventually become a really tasty curry. So it's going to look something like this. You can cook this on low for 8 hours, or you could cook it on high for 4 hours, and let's see what it ends up looking like. Right, so this has been cooking low and slow. Let's have a look at how it is. And look at that. All the chicken, it's almost just falling apart, look. Nice and shredded. And what a simple way of cooking. Just dash it all in. Let the slow cooker do all the work. So now's your opportunity to have a little taste test. Add a little bit more salt if you want a little bit more salt. Maybe some black pepper. If you want to spice it up a little bit, get some chili flakes in there. So I'm going to add in a little bit of double cream just to finish it off. And also some coriander. Just give all that a stir through. What do you reckon? Should we get some plated up? You can serve this up with whatever you like. I'm serving it on rice, but you could put it on a jacket potato or serve it with some naan. It's totally up to you. A little bit more coriander on there. Yeah. And if you want, a little bit more double cream as well. And there you go. Slow cooker chicken tikka masala. Enjoy.